Alright, what's up YouTube? On today's stupid video, you're gonna watch me fail at tinting my headlights. I kind of feel real dumb doing it, but I want the look. Hopefully they come out good. The first one's probably gonna be me struggling because I ain't never tinted nothing. Let's see. So I bought Vivid Creative headlight vinyl. I guess that's what it is. It looks like it's good quality. No, it's not 3M, so I don't know how good of quality it is, but I got decent amount. I think I can at least use half of it. Like I can cut a piece like half of it for my headlights. They're actually really small and they're flat. They're not really curvy like most modern cars headlights are. They try to be arrow as well. Ooh, let me turn this down. Don't want to get copyrighted for it and take my video down. But yeah, you're gonna watch me struggle putting those on. So yeah, this came with a little scraper tool, so hopefully that helps. Either that or I'm gonna use a credit card. So either or. I mean, I've put in stickers on the car before, so I kind of know how to put vinyl on the car, but not on the headlights. So wish me luck, guys. So for this start of the headlights, I just polished the headlights just so they can be at their shiniest and the clearest. Right before I put the vinyl on, so I just used plastics, Meguiar's plastics, to do the little polishing. They're in really good condition, but here I am installing the headlight vinyl, as you can see. So just enjoy, and we'll be right back. Okay. So I completely forgot to do an outro to this video. Yes, tinting my headlights were not the easiest thing to do. It was actually pretty hard. I took the blinker light headlights off. I didn't record none of that, unfortunately. I think I would have failed even more behind the camera. It was already pretty hard. The minute curvature that it had on that little light was minimal, but it made everything so much more difficult. Did not come out as good as I wanted it to, but I mean, from afar it looks good, but when you get close up it does look a little rough on the edges. But for the first time, don't mind it. It looks good to me. Maybe later I'll have somebody do it a little bit more professional than I am, or maybe I'll do it again myself. But this time I learned it's a lot easier to do it on the car than it was off the car, because there's no sturdiness to it. It was just shaking everywhere. But it was a good experience. Would I do it again? Probably. I want to do the rear lights eventually. But for now, just enjoy with the fronts, and hopefully you guys enjoy what it looks like, because I do. So see you guys on the next video. Enjoy these next clips. I'm gonna say 30 seconds worth of it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy.
Yeah, 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 yeah. A 200 millas en un jet ski, si tú quieres te lo meto aquí.